If you want to set a live wallpaper on iPhone 17e, it is pretty straightforward. First of all, we're gonna go to settings, and then over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to wallpaper. I'm gonna actually create a new set over here. So we're gonna go into the selection for wallpaper, and I'm gonna choose a photo from the library. Now in here at the top, we should be able to switch to the live photo category, and you might be able to find live photos that you have on your phone over here. So then you should be able to pick your live photo. And on the other hand, if you don't find it, you might need to look for it over here in this section where you have all your photos. And in my case, unfortunately, I don't have any live photos suggested in here, so I cannot really pick it up, but that's all you have to do. After choosing a live photo, while customizing the wallpaper, you will have the option that will allow you to choose if the wallpaper should actually be live or if you want to disable the live effect. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.